I'm back with another thought of the day. Here we go. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is, the pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. I repeat my thought. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. This thought means, at the present, what situation you are facing, you may feel difficult and hard. But in the future, you will believe that those hard things help you a lot. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational and fun videos. Bye. Have a good day.